Okay, what I have as far as TS's, I have this single shot Troop Special. Little bit on the beat up side. Sear's not catching, but we'll have to look into it. Good bore. This is the one with the damaged dust cover, and the surface is a little beat up on it, but extremely rare gun. And this one has an unusual bayonet lug, where this one here, a little bit better shape, complete, seems to work well, nice bore, and it's got the cleaner rod. Then we got the TS, which is one I was trying to find for a while. This is probably the worst one out of the bunch, but probably one of the hardest. All three of these here are tough to find. This one here is the magazine conversion and that, but really neat. I like it. So that's it for the pretty much the rarest ones out of the bunch. Now we'll look at the other three I got. Okay, then the other three that came in this lot, 10.4 mil job. Not exactly pristine on the outside, but outstanding bore. Will make a good shooter, solid gun. This one here, the 15. I think this one I couldn't look at the bore. This one's a bit of a Bowser, a little bit of beat up, but still, probably if we get her apart and clean it, be a decent gun. This here is an Arsenal rework job. The stock on this is good, but it's probably, you can see it's not matched up. It's been sanded. Sanded, it has that black armory paint on it. Good looking gun, good bore, solid weapon. A good example of this type of gun. Good shooter. So that's the three guns that came in this huge lot. Problem with these auctions is you end up paying between the fees, shipping and handling and that, you end up adding a lot more money on there than kind of want to. But this gives me much more examples so we can do our studies, and when we go, more markings, more variations. And this is what I get them for, is basically when we do an in-depth study, to have numerous examples and different types of variations. Now look at my little bonuses here, the bayonets. Now sometimes you get a little bonus in here. In the auction lot, in the description it said includes one bayonet or something, does not fit on gun. Well, this one here, I think it's for some sort of Turkish rifle, probably something cut down, modified for a Turkish gun. But this here is the Italian Troop Special bayonet. I have one of those rifles, and it has that weird rotating side locking thing, and this thing is in beautiful shape with the frog. So right there and then, that little bonus there, and I'll probably palm this off somewhere at a gun show or something, somebody who needs it. So this is going to stay with my rifle. These are hard to find, and people want a lot of money for them Troop Special bayonets. So that's a pretty neat little bonus in this lot, kind of unexpected. So now I got a new addition for my collection, and top off some other stuff, so I can say, I ain't young anymore, so I could say I'm satisfied with this deal. Alright, so now I got a whole bunch of videos to make about Italian Vetterlis and different guns and that, but that's the unboxing. Hope you enjoyed it.